Hey guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. I'll make this video about venting again. So this is the kitchen sink, 1.5 inches. Has to be within 15 inches of the ground. On the vent up. You got a laundry, right? You want to drain the vent, I'm sorry. Drain the vent. Right. So the laundry in the state of Massachusetts has to be a 2-inch trap. This can be between 18 to 30 inches max, minimum. Make sure you tie that in 6 inches above the floor level vent. All right, the venting goes up right there. Drain the vent. Drain the vent. Drain the vent. Right? Drain the vent. Okay? Drain the vent. We got a couple sinks right over here. Individual venting. So this is the individual venting. Alright guys? This is state of Mass. A little bit of knowledge. Another knowledgeable video. Alright guys, remember, 2-inch laundry in the state of Mass. Have a good day.